This is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and in today's video we would like to demonstrate that you can turn on the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the sound category. After that, you can turn on the Dolby Message Enhancer switch, and in order to generally enable the Dolby sound function or option, just tap at the Dolby Sound section, tap on this little button over here, and from here just choose in which mode you would like your Dolby Atmos to work. So you can go for the dynamic, which will automatically configure this little feature to your current needs. Enable the manually set it to be in the movie mode, music mode, or customize the all kinds of configurations in the custom mode. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.